Hello guys, welcome back. In this exercise, we will gather Pokemon without a loop. So mainly in this exercise, we are going to see how we can avoid using loops. So instead of using loops, how we can use map functions and list comprehension and all. Okay, this is a pretty good exercise, I would say. And I have already done this one. So you can take a look at this instructions over here and the code that I have written. So in the first instruction, they have asked us to use this list comprehension, okay, to zip this Pokemon names and the Pokemon generations. And from that, we only want to get the name over here, okay. So after that, using a map function, we calculated length of each name. And finally, what we have done is we zipped it, okay. So this names and the name lengths, and using this unpack syntax, and finally we have this one, guys. Okay, so that's about this exercise. Let's move on to the next one. Hello guys, in this exercise we are going to do calculate the average without the loop, okay. Pokemon total and average without a loop, okay. So you can see this here. So we can do that using for loop, something like this, okay. So we just want to avoid loops here, so that's the reason we can simply use this numpy syntax for calculating the mean and the sum, okay. So when you give axis is equal to 1, that means the calculation will be done on the column level, okay. So that means the entire column will be added together, okay. So similarly we have done this for mean as well. And finally we zipped it together with the names and total stats and average stats numpy array here, okay. And finally this is the one, okay guys. You can take a look at this entire code here, okay. So if you have any doubts or if you have any difficulties, please mention in the comment section. Yeah, so you can see this is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next one.